Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Chief Secretary jong ka jilla ka kong Arvi Suchiang, hende kasngi kala pelaj Paidbah ya unambar iwe ar, ha ka jilla ka banpet ya ka jingdan kam Kyrkieh, jong kinong shang shnong ka jilla. Ka National Wide Emergency Response System, ni Emergency Response Support System, kadai ka balas dang da katanat korbari jong ka sorkar India. Uni unambar iwe ar, udai ubalabu da ka sorkar, na kabanta ki jingdan kam ba Kyrkieh, ki bala banyarap Kyrkieh. Habaki Paidbah nong shang shnong kiya kendo kinu ki jinge kila ban pentip lang ba unambar iwe ar da ka ba Phun lang ba ka SMS email ka panik SOS request ka web request ba kiwe.
And this integration where so there will be no jurisdictional issues. The point is that the response time should be very less. I mean, you kind of want to have a pod and responder in the form of a police unit coming after 45 minutes, half an hour, and all that. So I was looking at the guidelines. The guidelines also provides for voice audit. Just to ensure, the clarity of the conversation between, the caller, maybe a victim, and the responder, maybe a police, person, the tone of his voice, how he handles the situation. And I think, this is provided, it's highlighted. We also must have, we've just started, but not a bad idea just to have a voice audit of, these call recordings. And so historically, we've always had a number of these, emergency response numbers, hundreds, which now integrated in 112. We had, I think, 101, 108, 181, which I learned recently, I think, relating to women and child. We also have the 4-digit numbers, COVID response numbers and all that. I think highlight that we integrated hundreds, so we should now integrate, both the fire service and other services, ambulance service to this 202. 112. Ma'am, and I was talking as we were coming up, that ma'am had visited the police station, had been an integral part of ensuring that this project gets underway, and it is with great pleasure, ma'am, that we have you here with us to formally launch this project. Ma'am, the NERS has been informally functioning. The PSAP here in Shillong, Southern PS, has been informally functioning from the 8th of January last year. There have been a lot of teething problems. There have been a lot of issues which needed the resolution. We still have some issues, but by and large, we are quite we are thankful to see that we are finally able to formally inaugurate the project in the whole of the state.